If you have neurospicy kids like mine who hate getting their hair cut done, this is an incredible option. I am no stylist by any means, but Ashley gives you step-by-step directions. She has so many videos on her page. Like, she just makes it so accessible for you to be able to give your kid a haircut in their safe environment. I have so much respect for hairstylists. I just know that stylists are not formally trained on how to handle autistic, special needs children when it comes to haircuts. Even if the stylist can handle that child, the environment in general when it comes to like loud, crazy, busy, like especially those kid hair cutting places, like it's just a lot for a lot of these kids. And I would much rather have it take as long as it needs to take, put them in an environment and fight that battle here at home